Launch your AI startup now. What if you could start your own AI business today? No coding, no team, just you and AI powering your dream. Welcome to AI Startup Creation, where tools like ChatGPT and Steve AI make you unstoppable without any coding skills. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and ask for 5 unique AI startup ideas for students, gamers, or creators using free tools. Just type and watch ideas flow. Boom! ChatGPT becomes your personal idea machine. Pick the idea that excites you the most and get ready to launch. Here are some real examples. AI resume builder for students, YouTube title and thumbnail generator, or AI habit tracker for gamers. Step 2. Bring your idea to life with Steve AI. Paste your script and watch AI craft your promo video effortlessly. Steve AI is like having a video editor, animator, and voice actor all in your pocket. Your demo video ready in minutes. Want to take it further? Build a website using Canva, Notion, or Google Sites and link your video and AI ideas. Here's why this matters. You don't need huge budgets or Silicon Valley teams to launch your idea today. What you do need is your brain, free AI tools, and creativity. Ready to think like a tech founder? Pro tip: want videos like this? I made it with Steve AI. It's beginner-friendly and does most hard work for you. Try Steve AI for your projects, courses, or YouTube videos. It saves time and makes creation fun and easy. Next up, learn how to earn money with AI tools as a freelancer, even if you're still a student. Stay tuned. Subscribe now and join the future of AI-powered creators launching amazing startups from anywhere.